low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no
What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So this fall, according to the latest news, the shiny iPhone 14 Pro costs more than you imagined. The latest leak is alarming. iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max prices are expected to be up this year. All new details regarding the prices and the latest features are here. Please watch the full video content. Apple will introduce all new iPhone 14 lineup that will bring new features such as always on display and an updated camera. And as it turns out, for the first time, the iPhone 14 Pro processors will be different from the iPhone 14 Pro processor. According to trusted Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max processors will not receive updates this year. This means these devices will retain the Apple A15 Bionic processor currently used in the iPhone 13 lineup. However, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will get an updated processor. These two devices are expected to feature the new Apple A16 SoC. While we are still waiting for actual test reports, a roadmap for Apple supplier TSMC indicates that the A16 will be manufactured on the same 5nm process as the A15 Bionic SoC. The new iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max are going to be pricey. We have long heard that the new iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max could see their prices inflated by at least $100 this year, thereby breaking the $999 mark as the starting price of the Pro iPhone. A new leak reiterates the same, saying that Apple's flagship iPhones are going to be expensive by $100 this year. Based on information shared by a tipster who goes by the name of the Galax, it is said that the iPhone 14 Pro could start at $1,099, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max could start at $1,199. This falls on par with the previous two leaks that also indicated a price of $1,099 for the base of iPhone 14 Pro. The biggest upgrade is going to be the camera, which will finally see Apple ditch the 12-megapixel sensor in favor of a larger 48-megapixel image sensor. A larger sensor should help with improved details and better low-light photography, as has been the case with the high-resolution Android flagships. Then there's the display that is going to see a lot of changes. The iPhone 14 Pro models are going to ditch the infamous notch in favor of a pill and a hole cutout to hold the front camera as well as the Face ID sensor. The display itself is expected to see an LTPO 2.0 OLED panel that could help the display drop the refresh rate to as low as 1 Hz. This could help Apple bring an always-on display feature to the iPhone for the first time, which could always show the new iOS 16 style lock screen widgets. Note that these are all rumors and Apple is yet to confirm them. Hence, you should wait for the official Apple launch event, expected to happen in September 2022. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.
rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.